Okay, so now we're going to start creating our physical change foldable. And what we're going to do on this is we are actually going to, you can use colored pencils, crayons. There's going to be a little bit of drawing, but it's mainly going to be writing. So what you want to do is, this is our cover. So what you want to go ahead and do is you want to write physical changes. And it's kind of a cute way to write physical changes. So I can write the word physical. And then I'm going to use this C in changes, and I'm just going to draw this in a different, or write this in a different pen. And I'm using pen so that it doesn't bleed through, but you can use colored pencil or colored pencil or crayon to do this, not marker, because it is going to bleed through. So I'm going to use the C for changes. Okay, and then down at the bottom, I'm going to put my name by Mrs. Spillman. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this up, and we're just going to work on the flaps right now. And on the flaps, what I want you to do is, a physical change can be a change in mass, so that would be your weight, size, of course it's going to be if it's big, if it's small, and then of course it can also change the volume. Okay, it does not mean it has to be all three of these. It's just it can change in mass, it could change in what the size is, or it could change in the volume. Another change is going to be a change in state. Okay, and when you have a change in state, that means that it goes from a solid to a liquid to a solid to a gas, a liquid to a gas, anything like that. It can do. Usually if it go, well, no, we won't talk about that, but just know that it changes between those three states of matter. Your liquid, solid, or a gas would be what that would be. And then the last thing is it could change in shape. Okay, so I'm going to leave this right here. If you need to pause it right now, go ahead and pause it so that you have these three, and it's all on the flap. So make sure that you do not write the flaps or anything like, or the flaps go over the flaps or anything like that. So make sure you have all of those written.